Good afternoon. We started off this morning chilly under clear skies. Then we saw a lot of sunshine. Clouds are starting to filter in as that warm air from the southwest is starting to push in, making us to the 50s right now in Morgantown, 47 in Waynesburg and Washington. Still a little bit colder for areas north, but don't worry, you will get warmer as that warm air starts to filter in. The next couple of days, it's going to be warmer into the 40s, even possibly 50s. From this time yesterday, it's a little bit warmer by about 5 to 10 degrees. But when you factor in these winds out of the southwest, about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and wind gusts picking up 20 to even 25 miles per hour. We're getting a wind chill right now, feeling like 30 degrees in Franklin, 34 Butler, still feeling in the 30s in downtown Pittsburgh at 39 and 38 the wind chill in Beaver Falls. So we had some sunshine earlier this morning. Clouds are increasing, and that's going to be the trend today. Tomorrow it's going to be a different story, especially waking up tomorrow as you're heading out to the bus stop and also to work. You're going to need the rain gear. We're going to have widespread rain, even some heavy downpours, but temperatures are all going to be in the mid 40s. Right now we're in the mid 40s, mostly cloudy with those winds out of the southwest. So right now a lot of us are still quiet. We're dry, but mostly cloudy, and these clouds will continue to filter in. Light showers do start to work their way in, but we do have that approaching low that is off to our south. So that's going to be starting to move in. We have high pressure still keeping us dry at the moment, but with that approaching low, that's increasing that moisture. So it's going to be a rainy day for tomorrow with widespread rain starting off in the morning and then some heavy downpours. Even through the afternoon, we'll start to see them become a little bit more scattered, leaving us with showers then for Saturday. And then once those start to taper off, colder air moves in, and we still have that slight chance for some snow showers for the end of the weekend and the start of next week. So let's time it all out for you in Futurecast. Temperatures for today into the upper 40s. It gets warmer through the night, so at midnight, that's where our high is going to be in the upper 40s. Widespread rain, so tomorrow morning, grab the rain gear. Yellow and orange indication are for those pockets of heavier rain. We'll start to see that rain taper off just a bit through the afternoon. Light showers, very scattered, even throughout Friday into the night. Then Saturday, that rain picks up. One last push of warm air starting off into the upper 40s and low 50s. And then watch, that colder air will start to filter in by Saturday into the evening. Once that cold front moves in, that northwesterly flow changes those rain showers over to a few snow showers. It doesn't look like we're going to see much in terms of accumulation. That ground will still be warm and above that freezing mark, but the ridges are the concern, where we could see a couple of inches even for areas north of I-80. Then by Sunday morning, we're back to seeing our temperatures for our lows in the mid to upper 20s. In terms of how much rainfall we can expect with this next weather maker for tomorrow throughout Saturday, we'll pick up about a half of an inch to close to an inch. Those heavier amounts are going to stay right along that Pennsylvania and West Virginia border. In terms of snowfall, again, just the ridges could see about 1 to 2 inches. The rest of us less than an inch of coating at most. So rain arrives tonight throughout Saturday. We're holding on to above average temperatures, and then rain switches to snow for Saturday through the day. So today, temperatures in the upper 40s. A lot of that sunshine going away as clouds filter in. 44 for tonight. Winds out of the south, 5 to 10 miles per hour. So tomorrow, a soggy day. You'll need to download our weather app. You can get all of those alerts in the palm of your hand. And then we're seeing temperatures as we head throughout the day, staying into the mid to upper 40s. We stay in the mid to upper 40s for our Saturday. Rain switches to snow. We have light snow showers for Sunday in the upper 30s. Monday, scattered snow showers right around 40 degrees. Some snow showers again on Tuesday, and then that'll leave us with a few early on Wednesday morning and highs back in the mid 30s.